Jump Around is based on 3 different samples. At the very beginning of Jump Around, we hear this distinctive horns intro. House of Pain sampled this from the 1963 track Harlem Shuffle by Bob and Earl. After the iconic horn intro, the main groove of Jump Around begins, and this main groove is sampled from a different song, Popeye the Hitchhiker by Chubby Checker. House of Pain have slowed down the Chubby Checker track and used a short loop of it as the foundation of their song. And the third and final sample in Jump Around is that distinctive screech sound effect that happens throughout the track. This screech is sampled from a 1960s Motown track, Shoot Your Shot. On Jump Around, it's actually quite hard to clock what that screech sound is, but listening to the original sample, we can hear that it's actually a saxophone. In fact, House of Pain didn't sample the saxophone direct from the original source, but instead sampled it via the 1989 track Ain't Saying Nothing by Divine Styler, which had already sampled the saxophone from Shoot Your Shot.